For the screen replacement on the Dell 3120, it is a lot easier than the 3180, mostly in the sense that you don't have to remove the tabs, and because there's only 2 screws that you have to remove on the bezel. Let's go ahead and take those off. Then you're going to grab the bezel. You can either use your fingernails or you can use a prying tool and pull it off. Set that to the side. You'll then remove the 4 screws just like you did on the 3180 and the G5EE. Then you're going to tilt it forward. Remove the connector here. Same tape adhesive as the others. Just get in there and lift it a little bit. Also keep in mind there is that metal bar that you want to avoid bending or ripping off. Bring in your new screen. Line it up. Connect it. Make sure the bar is pushed down over the fitting and that your tape is properly adhered. Then you can put the screen back in to position. Double check to make sure that the wire is in the wire channels so that you can avoid any snags or anything in the future. Replace your screen screws. And the bezel. And there you have the screen replacement on the Dell 3120.